Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. In this episode I'm going to show you what we're using to clean wheels and tires. We switch to brake buster from PNS because we used to have a wheel and tire cleaner from Adams, very strong, really effective, but it's really expensive. If you don't dilute it, it can become really expensive. So right here we have the PNS on this bottle. We diluted before, it wasn't really effective, so right now this is pure PNS, no water. You can dilute it too, but for us it's been working like that really good, because if we have clients and we need to finish the job fast, the best way to do it is just straight from the bottle. In this episode I'm going to show you how PNS has been working on the tires, because we've been cleaning these tires like once a week, sometimes every 2 weeks. But after a little while, when you cleaning your tires, if you use the right product like this PNS, it's not going to dry the rubber. So it's going to be safe for the rubber and wheels, and it works really well. I like it a little bit more than Adams, because Adams, it can be really strong if you don't dilute it, and it can dry the rubber. And that's gonna be one of the reasons why I love brake buster from PNS, because it doesn't have chemicals. It only has strong detergents, so it's gonna be really safe for the wheel and tire. And after a little while, when you start washing and cleaning your wheels and tires, you will see that it becomes really easy to clean. I think we cleaned these tires like a week ago, so I'm gonna show you how brake buster from PNS works. We're gonna let it sit for a little while, but you're gonna see the foam is not gonna be black, because we've been cleaning them so much that it makes the job easier now. It's been like a couple minutes now. Let's hit the tire. If you can see, the foam is white. It doesn't turn black no more, because this product is so effective that it's gonna keep the tires looking like that. Because after a little while, that's all you're gonna need. One pass with your brush, and that's all. As you can see, the product is so effective. I love this product. Been using it for more than a month now, and I think that's all we need. And for the wheel, same process. Get your brush, hit the barrel. The back of the spokes. The face. Lug nuts. And that's it. That's all it takes. Water. And that's all it takes to clean the wheels and tires. After a little while, like I said before, it's gonna make the job so much easier, because you just need one pass on the tire, clean the face, the barrel. That's all you need. Now we have to repeat the same process on the other 3 wheels, and I'm gonna show you how they look once they dry. And this is the end result with brake buster from PNS. I prefer this product instead of those that remove iron that turn purple. Those they have chemicals, they're very strong, they can damage your wheel. And safest way so far, brake buster from PNS. Now you can add your tire shine, whatever you prefer. In my case, I prefer to leave them like that, no tire shine, just like that, natural black. And the wheels, they're super clean too. Okay guys, so I'll leave it with that. Link is gonna be in the description for this brake buster from PNS. Tell me what you think in the comments. I think after using them for more than a month, I prefer this wheel and tire cleaner over everything out there. I hope you like this episode guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.